How to write a review in Best Buy app. Let's get started. Launch your Best Buy app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the homepage. Now head towards any of the item for which you want to write a review. I'm gonna select this one item. After you have selected the item, now scroll all the way down. At the bottom, you'll find the option of See All Reviews. Likewise, you'll also get the option of Write a Review. Click on the option of Write a Review. Now from here, you can easily write a review for the item. First up, you can give a title. Then you can type in your review. Likewise, you can also give a rating. You will get 5 stars. And once you are done, you can click on Continue. Also, you can rate the quality, then value, likewise ease of use, and then you can click on Continue. If you want to recommend this item to your friend, you can click on Yes. If you don't want, then you can click on No. Once you are done, click on Complete Review. Click on Done. And just with that, your review will be posted. So this is how you can easily write a review in Best Buy app. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.